We're taking a look at the weirdest products on Amazon, and we're doing it through the lens of someone who actually sells on Amazon. What is the power napping? Imagine your boss walks in, sleeping on your desk, big ostrich thing. So I'm gonna be using some tools to go over how much money these products are actually making, as ridiculous as they may be. No, you cannot buy that on Amazon. What is that? Okay, this one's kind of cool. That one's just cool. That's not that weird. I would wear that. Spam the comments that I would wear the capybara. We're gonna be looking through a few different resources today. We've got ChatGPT open with some weird Amazon products. We've got a good old-fashioned blog, and we're already getting the newsletter thing with some products on there as well. And we've just got good old-fashioned Amazon, where I typed weird stuff into the search bar. What is this? This is like, why does he look so sad? He's just laying. Oh, come on, it's not really on the pillow there. Lie in peace, duck sleep lamp. You're telling me you would be in peace with this thing on your bed? But it's also like, ducks must be used in the drama party. What does that actually mean? So pinch the silicone light, comfortable and decompressed. Pinch and decompress. The comfortable duck. I was a little bit unsold in the beginning, but now that I get to decompress the comfortable duck, you're right. I kind of do want, thank God, it is environmentally friendly silicone material. That's awesome. So so here's where, this gets a little crazy. I'm going to use a software called Helium 10 to look at how much this product is selling. This product, the comfortable decompressing duck. And there's a link in the description, by the way. Right now, through the end of September, this software for Amazon sellers who want to start your side hustle is 35% off for 4 months. Great time to get started, but only till the end of September 2024. So you got very limited time. $38,000 in sales on that duck, okay? And they're selling it for what? $16. Now it is an electronic product. It's a duck. It's a duck, like that has some type of business implications. It is a duck, so that's going to add to the fees. But if we were to look at how much profit that actually was turning around into, assuming they're not running crazy ads, they have 35% margins on a organic sale. So say half their sales are from ads, half their sales are from this, maybe their ads are 10-20% ACoS, right? They're making 10 grand a month in cash selling the duck. All right, so that was a good one. I really liked the duck. I think what was funnier was actually like reading the Chinese private label listings. All right, that was good. I want to keep going. What do we got here? Amazon's coming, they're coming out swinging with the weird stuff search. I like this a lot. Why are those selling? Look how much revenue the damn bat scissors are doing. Well, one of the biggest. $90,000 in the last 30 days. Because it's super seasonal. Oh my God. Anyone remember this? This stuff smells so damn bad. Time my uncle, this is not a joke, he took the lid off of that thing, poured it onto my hair. I smelled like liquid ass for days. It was so bad. I don't even know how they come up with this smell. It is extra strong poop spray. That's 100 grand a month. That is crazy. It looks exactly the same from when that happened to me probably 20 years ago. What is the blog showing now? Little like tchotchke things are not that weird. A sauce holder for the vent in your car. I feel like if you're using that, it's like some lifestyle change needs to come. Accoutrements bacon strips. I mean, do you really want to wear bacon as a band-aid? Could you imagine wearing this on a plane? Like you just, I'm sorry. Just this big thing. Just your little nose is showing. And it's $100. We have to see this one. It really doesn't make that much money. I mean, for good reason. That's a bad, someone spent thousands, tens of thousands of dollars likely creating this product. No one is doing that. What is the power napping? Imagine your boss walks in, sleeping on your desk, big ostrich thing. And then it's like, don't turn around and tell me it's just a huggable pillow. Because once you know what it's capable of, you can't just cuddle the thing, right? It's like, Yeah, I'm not surprised that this one sells 4K a month. No one's buying this for themselves seriously. And also I feel like there was a missed opportunity because it was designed so seriously that it can't even be a good gag gift. You could buy this for one of your friends, but no one's dropping $100 just for something. Like, okay, so the blog is going hard. Personalized cardboard cutout's pretty funny to have in your own office. You can do it. Something really, about Mondays, maybe even. My sister actually has chickens and my nephew he runs from, like, they chase him to get the food. Petrified. What he might need to boost his confidence, like put him on a harness and then you're back in control. I get pillow. Yeah, it's quirky, it's funny. Really, I looked through the blog. All it was serving up was the ostrich pillow. That was the big find from the blog. I don't want to search for this. I feel like I'm gonna get, someone's gonna come to my house. What, you get like a little badge, a certificate. I feel like it was gonna look more scary. Like this image really does it justice, you know what I mean? I just carry that around with you. Over 50 years in your pocket, you might, yeah, let's not talk about that. Potty putter, we've all seen it at this point. I feel like we've all seen the potty putter. I love how ChatGPT is like, toe separators. Hilarious. That's so weird. Emergency underpants dispenser. Is this the ultimate gag gift market? Products look like they're selling really well. 20K a month, 21K a month on the funny Shart survival kit. There's just no competition. I don't even think they were running ads. Oopsie poopsie disposable undies. Browntown tissue pack. Clean booty wipes. Instructional care. I sharted. Now what? Shart survival badge. Like everyone get in the photo. What a great time we're having. I love the royalty-free image, but how serious it looks. It's like something bad just happened. You can tell just by the look on his face that Shart happens. 21 grand, and this one is more profitable, right? Especially if they're not running ads, they're organically ranked. I mean, they're making almost 50%, throwing some expenses in there, call it 40, 8, 9, 10K a month product. Outrageous. I wonder, it would be an interesting experiment. Spend some time working on a really good gag gift and truly original, right? Fire packaging, great concept. You gotta love it when you see it. Because a lot of the gag gifts are kind of just like, they're just like the sauce dipper thing. No one cares, right? You got to go big or go home, I feel like, with the gag gifts. This was really funny. Let me know in the comments below, what was your favorite weird product that we looked at today? I feel like there was something so simplistic about the duck. Like, what was up with the sleeping duck? Anyway, thanks for being here. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.